will discuss arithmetic progression and arithmetic mean. First of all, what is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is also a one type of a sequence. But which type of a sequence? It is a sequence which increases or decreases with a common constant, with a common difference. So such a sequence is known as arithmetic progression. Suppose I am having one sequence, observe 2, 4, 6, 8 up to one more sequence. If I will take here 2, 0, minus 2, minus 4 up to. Observe. Now I will determine that is it your AP or not. Arithmetic progression, in short, we can denote it as AP. This topic already we have studied in 10th standard. So AP means what? It is a one type of a sequence. But what is a category? Here you have to categorize it in such a manner that this sequence can be increasing in a particular order or it can be decreasing with a particular constant. That constant is known as common difference D. Now here observe. Here 4 minus 2. From a successive term we have to subtract a preceding term. So 4 minus 2 I am getting difference 2. 6 minus 4 I am getting difference 2. 8 minus 6 getting difference 2. So here you can observe it is increasing with a particular constant 2. So this constant is known as common difference, which we are denoting as D. First term we are denoting as A, that is 2. Now observe this one also. 0 minus 2 minus 2, minus 2 minus 0 minus 2, minus 4 minus 2, minus 4 plus 2. Again I am getting minus 2. See, observe. Here it is decreasing. In a previous part it is increasing. But see, observe, constant is common. Common difference is common, that is minus 2. So again we can consider it as AP. So hope again this concept of AP is very well clear to you. Now general form of a general term. General term you can denote it as AN. Nth term you can write it as AN. N is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now here if I am doing the last term and that concept if I want to apply, so last term we are denoting as L. Now if I want to find out sum of these all terms, so that I can denote it as Sn, which is equals to N by 2 in a bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D, or we can write it as N by 2 A plus L. As per the need of our question, we can apply a formula accordingly. Now, this AP is completed. Now, what is an arithmetic mean? Mean means you can understand average only we have to take. And arithmetic mean word written, it means from a AP we have some terms and its mean we are going to take. So suppose I am having terms A and B in which I want to insert any number capital A. So I can write it as A comma capital A comma B. So this capital A is known as arithmetic mean, and that you can write it as A is equals to A plus B by 2. So this one is a formula to get arithmetic mean. This arithmetic mean is just the average of your two terms. Between two terms if I want to insert it in that, so that one also will be your AP, but how it will be? While I am going to substitute particular average in that. So this capital A is known as arithmetic mean. Now based on your AP from your exercise 9.2, I am going to explain you here, discuss one question. First question here I will discuss. Question is, find the sum of 1 to 2001. See, a very big number. So it will be very much difficult, very much tedious job to arrange this all number in a column manner and then to add. So what I will do here, obviously SN formula we have to apply. But what is your SN formula? SN formula, first term and last term while I am knowing, so that time I can apply n by 2 a plus L formula, or you can apply Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here, this n is unknown, so first of all I have to find out n. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An means the last term, that is 2001, which is equals to a means first term 1 plus n minus 1. Again d, find the sum of 1 to 2000. So d will be obviously 1, 2, 3 up to. So d will be 2 minus 1 will be 1 only. So here also I will write down 1. If 1 I will subtract, here I will get 2000, which is equals to n minus 1. Shift it here, so I am getting n is equals to 2001. Now in my Sn formula, while I will substitute it, so S 2001, which is equals to 2001 upon 2 in a bracket 2, a is 1 plus 2001 minus 1 into 1. Now while I simplify it, here I will get 2001 by 2, here 2 plus 2001 minus 1, that is 2000. So here 2001 into 2002 divided by 2. While I will divide it, you will get 2001 into 2001. So when you will do a multiplication of these both terms, it was written odd integer. Here in place of that I have just written sum of integer. So multiplication of these both will be your answer. If you want to keep this answer as it is, then also why? Because 2001 whole square, 4 digits they have to multiply together. Or in place of that, what I can do, 2000 plus 1 whole square, a plus b whole square identity you can apply and you can get its answer. But here same terms are repeating, so you are getting this answer. Don't get confused. In a textbook, here question is given find the sum of odd integers, and here I have written find the sum of integers. In place of odd I have taken all integers, so here you are getting answer different. Hope this question understood to you.